Give me a moment to clear the place.
No. No need to spoil the fun. Men who are about to die are very honest. It pays to listen to them.
That's some toast.
I spoke with your man Cobblepot before he died. Odd little fellow. Perceptive. He told me the death of the Waynes would bring troubled times for our family in Gotham.
What did he know? Business as good as ever.
No, he was right. The Waynes and the Falcones were the pillars of the same house. We understood each other. Now that they're gone, everything is out of balance, and the Wayne Empire is in flux. Who knows who'll end up in control? The Maroni family senses weakness. They'll start making moves, and every criminal in the city will start making moves.
Please, don't lose sleep over Maroni. He's number 2 for a reason.
I never lose sleep over my enemies. It's my friends that keep me awake. Cobblepot told me you say I'm old and soft and ready to be taken out, and you're the one to take me.
Don Falcone, I would never, ever say that. I only have deep love and respect for you. You have been like a father to me.
I'm so happy to hear that. Let's forget all about it then. The babbling of a condemned man. Enough business. How have you been, my dear? Thriving, I hope.
Yes, good. I'm good.